Bolesławiec has been producing ceramics for many centuries. It is one of the most valuable examples of European cultural heritage. To protect and promote it, the city of Bolesławiec has adopted a program whose main strategic objective is intensive cooperation with associations and institutions at local, national, and international level.
W ramach programu ochrony nad zabytkami,
As part of the program, in 2021 to 2024, we have made significant investments that allowed us to save and restore 3 heritage sites in Bolesławiec to their former glory. We renovated the historic von Puchler Palace and adapted it to serve as the new headquarters of the Ceramics Museum, revitalized the historic park on Zgorzeleka Street, and adapted one of the museum buildings to serve as the Center for Ancient Pottery Techniques. The revitalization of these 3 sites is a part of the overall concept of protection and care for the local cultural landscape, including ceramic heritage.
Tradycje wytwarzania bolesławieckiej ceramiki.
The traditions of production of Bolesławiec ceramics dates back to the 13th century. Our museum has probably the largest collection of Bolesławiec ceramics in Europe, numbering several thousand exhibits. They represent not only Polish, but also Czech and German heritage. This is not just a tradition, but also a vibrant contemporary reality. Currently, there are 40 local ceramic factories and numerous associations, such as the Ceramic Brotherhood and the Polish Association of Ceramic Cities. One of the most important goals of the project was Bolesławiec's accession to the international community of the European route of ceramics and active involvement in its activities. The European route of ceramics is one of the European cultural routes certified by the Council of Europe, and its aim is to promote the value of cultural heritage related to ceramics production. Currently, the association has 29 member centers from 17 countries. Bolesławiec joined the route in 2021, and our joint projects were presented, among others, at the 12th Annual Advisory Forum of the Cultural Routes of Council of Europe in the Polish city of Łódź in 2023. The largest undertaking within the project was the revitalization of the von Puchler Palace and its conversion into the new headquarters of the Ceramics Museum. The challenges included the renovation of the facade and interiors, restoration of the historical character of the building, and design of modern exhibition arrangements using a variety of multimedia. Our Norwegian partners from the Telemark Museum in Skien played a significant role in this task. Together with our partners from Bolesławiec, we joined the European route of ceramics, and, as part of a joint project, we supported the revitalization of the Bolesławiec Museum and the arrangement of its exhibitions by sharing our know-how and exchanging professional experience. We are proud that the Bolesławiec investment has been completed with our help and support. The second undertaking was the transformation of one of the museum buildings into the Center for Ancient Pottery Techniques, with a fully equipped ceramics workshop and exhibitions of contemporary Bolesławiec ceramics. Project included the preservation of the last remaining historical pottery kiln in Bolesławiec, which was dismantled, renovated, and reconstructed in a new location. This project was carried out in cooperation with Czech partners from the Via Fabrilis Craft Tradition Trail. We launched the Polish-Czech cross-border trail Via Fabrilis, promoting ancient crafts together with Bolesławiec in 2008. Currently, it includes 38 institutions in 33 towns on both sides of the border. We are delighted that our long-standing cooperation has borne fruit in the form of the Center for Ancient Pottery Techniques. The third project involved the revitalization of the historic park adjacent to the von Puchler Palace. Not only was this beautiful site restored to its former glory, but ceramic elements were also introduced to highlight the town's centuries-old pottery traditions. It is a venue for cultural events, including workshops, historical performances, and vernissages, most of which are related to ceramics.
Przeprowadzone przez miasto Bolesławiec.
The 3 projects implemented by the city of Bolesławiec serve the entire local community. The 40 local ceramic factories are supported not only in terms of the protection and care of the ceramic heritage. Together, we take care of the contemporary promotion of ceramics, and thanks to these important heritage projects, we can actively participate in the activities of the international community. For us, the residents of Bolesławiec, this is a source of pride and joy.
Dzięki zrewitalizowanym obiektom
As a result of the implemented projects, Bolesławiec now possesses modernized cultural infrastructure and broad opportunities to protect and promote our most valuable heritage, Bolesławiec ceramics. 2 years ago, Bolesławiec was greatly honored by being awarded the Europe Prize. But we have not rested on our laurels. Excellent relations with local, national, and foreign partners give us ample opportunities to continue and expand our cooperation. We are working together to strengthen our local identity while maintaining the city's standing as an active European center.